Hey friends, we got a new lathe, but we have to have a stand for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and build one. So we currently have a wood lathe that has a stand. It's been a good lathe for a while, but it's nice to have another one because when we get into the lathe units and students start creating things, it's not fun to wait when you really want to get after it and start creating. So we got a grant for another lathe, but there was just enough money to get the lathe and not get the additional stand that goes with it. So I thought, well shoot, I can just build one. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna build it out of dimensional framing lumber because we were fortunate to come into a lot of that when a different part of the school got changed and we got all the old framing lumber. So that's what I'm gonna make it out of. I'm gonna let you watch. Thanks for watching. out of an old building, except for the screws. This was all free for us. So, new stand. I think I want to put some pieces under here and then maybe another 2x4 under there so I can have a shelf down here, and so it stiffens this up and puts it all together as one unit. But I can do that later. Thanks so much for watching, friends. I appreciate you. Make sure you work hard, because hard work is its own reward. Thanks for watching.